It's Becca Switzer with Roof Sales Mastery here, author of Diamonds in the Sky, and it's winter. Look around. Snow, ice. Father Winter is here, kind of. It's still not very cold here, which is strange, but I'm sure if you're in Lincoln, Nebraska, you've lost your life to the wind chill. But let's talk about what to do this time of year if you're a roofing contractor in cold parts of the country, okay? Or even parts that don't really get snow. I know you guys are still, it's like slower, okay? And there's less production going on for a lot of you and stuff like that. It's not like May when you are surviving off of fumes and Red Bull, okay? So what is the best use of your time right now in the winter? One, evaluate this year's results. What happened? What went well? What didn't go so well? Oops, he's crazy today. What went well? What didn't go so well? Where is our biggest area of opportunity? Ask yourself this question. The one thing that would have the biggest impact on my business if I improved next year is blank. Maybe that's supplementing, increasing your bottom line. Maybe it's growing your sales team. Maybe it's retaining a sales team. Okay, so figure out what that is. Assess what happened. Have a good meeting, a sit down, review the numbers, and assess. 2, plan. What do we need to do next year to get the desired result from the answer from question 1? And then 3, study and arm yourself with the necessary tools and knowledge to execute number 2 moving into the spring. So this is your chance, you guys. This is the slower season, and right now is your opportunity to learn new softwares, implement new systems and protocol at your company, get new training lined up, figure out how you're going to recruit, learn Xactimate, okay? Learn how to supplement. Be ready so that if March, April kicks off and here come the Sky Diamonds, right? You're not scrambling to, we need to hire and we need to supplement and oh my God. Instead of that, scramble because you cannot learn, implement, and operate at the same time. You can try, but it's going to be a shit show. Use this time to study, prepare, and execute, okay? Or prepare to execute. As always, subscribe to the YouTube channel. You can visit my website, www.roofsalesmastery.com, for programs and stuff like that. Can't wait to hear from you guys over the winter here. This is my busy time of year too, because a lot of you business owners who are already doing what we just talked about in this video are reaching out and getting set up and stuff like that. So it's a good time of year to do it. Let's prepare for a very abundant 2019. And I hope that you guys had a great 2018. Bye guys.